Lesson 3. Using Mail Merge. Introduction. Mail Merge is a useful tool that will allow you to easily produce multiple letters, labels, envelopes, name tags and more using information stored in a list, database or spreadsheet. In this lesson, you learn how to use the Mail Merge wizard to create a data source and form letter, and you'll explore other wizard features. Mail Merge. When you're performing a mail merge, you will need a data source, Word document. You can start with an existing one or create a new one, and a merge field. Data source. Recipients of a mail merge usually come from a list of names, address, city, PIN, contact number, etc. in an existing list, like an Excel spreadsheet or the Outlook contacts list. The list or database is known as the data source for your mail merge. It is associated with the main document, and it becomes easy to merge addresses along with the Word document. Word document. It contains a text that we wish to send to all the recipients in the data source. Merge field. The merge fields may appear with brackets and the words merge field in bold. MERGEFIELD addressee. The fields appearing this way merge into the document without error. Creating a mail merge document. Mail merging process has 3 important steps: creating a main document, specifying a data source, merging the data source with the main document. 2 sets of files are needed as shown below for mail merging. You can use the following samples for practicing along with steps described in the later part of the chapter. Letter, Word document. Recipient list, Excel workbook. Prepare a recipient list as shown in the Excel sheet. To use mail merge, open an existing Word document or create a new one. Click the Mailings tab. Click the Start Mail Merge command. Select Step-by-Step Mail Merge wizard. The Mail Merge task pane appears and will guide you through the 6 main steps to complete a merge. The following is an example of how to create a form letter and merge the letter with the recipient list. Step 1. Choose the type of document you want to create. In this example, select Letters. B. Click Next. Starting document to move to Step 2. Figure 3 will appear after Step 1. Step 2. Select Use the current document. B. Click Next. Select Recipients to move to Step 3. Step 3. Now you'll need an address list so that MS Word can automatically place each address into the document. The list can be in an existing file, such as an Excel workbook, or you can type a new address list from within the Mail Merge wizard. A. From the Mail Merge task pane, select Use an existing list, then click Browse. B. Locate your file. Mail Merge Recipients is the name of file in the example shown below in the dialog box, and then click Open. C. If the address list is in an Excel workbook, select the worksheet that contains the list, then click OK. Sheet $1 is selected in the following example. D. In the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box, you can check or uncheck each recipient as shown in the red box in the figure 7 to control which ones are used in the merge. When you're done, click OK to close the dialog box. Note, if you don't have an existing address list, you can click the Type a New List button and click Create. You can then type your address list. E. From the Mail Merge task pane, click Next. Write your letter to move to Step 4. Step 4. Now you're ready to write your letter. When it is printed, each copy of the letter will basically be the same except the recipient data, like the name and address will be different on each one. You'll need to add placeholders for the recipient data so MailMerge knows exactly where to add the data. If you're using MailMerge with an existing letter, make sure the file is open. To insert recipient data, A. Place the insertion point in the document where you want the information to appear. B. Select address book, greeting line, electronic postage, or more items from the task pane. C. Depending on your selection, a dialog box may appear with various options. Select the desired options, then click OK. D. A placeholder appears in your document, for example, address block. E. Repeat these steps each time you need to enter information from your data record. F. From the MailMerge task pane, click Next. Preview your letters to move to step 5. For some letters, you'll only need to add an address block and greeting line. Sometimes, however, you may want to place recipient data within the body of the letter to further personalize it. A. Preview the letters to make sure information from the recipient list appears correctly in the letter. You can use the left and right scroll arrows to view each document. B. Click Next. Complete the merge to move to step 6. Step 6. A. Click Print to print the letters. B. The Merge to Printer dialog box opens. Click All and then click OK. C. The Print dialog box will appear. Adjust the print settings if needed, then click OK. Quick recap. MailMerge is a powerful tool for writing a personalized letter or email to many people at the same time. It imports data from another source such as Excel and then uses that to replace placeholders throughout our message with the relevant information for each individual we are messaging. The data source is typically a spreadsheet or a database which has a field or column for each variable in the template. Word document contains a text that we wish to send to all the recipients in the data source. Two sets of files are needed for mail merging. One is Word document containing the content to be sent. Another is an Excel sheet containing the recipient list.